I am GappaMagix. That's what date and time it is. I'm about to go near 8th Street Hill, where the signs of life of bipedal humanoid creature, or Wendigo, or beast or creature, whatever it is there. And I'm gonna take a look around there in the woods. Alright, filming now. Put my glove on. Now, just gonna be quiet here and look around and stuff. Like for instance, right there, that's a huge dog print, if that is a dog. Put a print next to it. Like I said, if that is a dog. There you go. I helped unroot something that it needs. Always needs that stuff for that fort that it's building, or structure. Here's the bend. I filmed on a different upload. Squirrel's lair. Up there is the Way of the Cross. Tourist attraction. Holy land monuments of Jesus Christ. God. 12 disciples. This is awkward right here. Looks like broken and then something put there. I don't know what that is. Wonder what that noise is. I got my snowboard here. It's this put. It almost does look like it too. Oh my god. Now I have to find out if it is a put. Is this in the ground? It's not. Look at. It's put up there very precociously. Squirrel holes. This is where the fence is. I don't know if this is natural or what's going on right here. I mean, it almost looks like it's got twisted and made into an arch. Little spot right here. Look at. Then there's stuff put there. Oh yeah, this is for sure right here. Look at this here. And there's stuff put right there. I'm not going to actually go into this little spot right here, but I feel some type of energy here that means anything. Look at that stick that's laying right there. That's put there. Alongside all the sticks right there. I can go out over here and film that closer. All the sticks right there on top of it. Made a little bench or something right there where it could sit right there and mind his business with that against its back in case it needs to scratch his back or something like that. I'm gonna go over there. Hold on. I'm not joking. And here's some more stuff just kind of put here. It's kind of interweaved in here too. And anyway, this is all put here. And this, like that. But I don't want to wreck it. And anyway, it looks like he accidentally steadied on it too much, and he kind of wrecked it right there. And anyway, or it. And anyway, this is all put here. A little sitting area. In my opinion, sit right there and rub his back on that, scratch his back. It's my opinion. What's that? Oh my god. This is definitely a clue. It's like a bone, fleshy bone, something. Oh yeah. Wow. So it's just here chilling out and eating. Put it kind of back where it was. And anyway, I knew it was real. Bipedal humanoid creature. I mean, this is right there is the clue. Looks like a piece of a bone. I don't know. But anyway, enough of that little section right here. Going back to where I put the gifts. Wow. Now I'm gonna go all out on this one. So some people hypothetically think this is just a deer scraping its antlers. Okay, maybe so, but that sure is a lot of scraping. And why is it so low? Maybe so. But right here is a sign of a different maybe so. There's a big poop right there. And it's fresh. That is not deer poop. That is deer poop. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. This is about to fall. And then there's something put there too. See that? That's put there. Interesting. Yeah, that's another telltale sign of it. Put right there. Oh my god, I didn't notice this last time. This is a hard bend, twist, break. That was sticking out too much for its liking. That's why I bent that. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this tree. Just sitting here just scraping its antlers. It has to be a Wendigo then. Because Wendigos can talk. Supposedly. According to the podcast that I listen to. and they also have a sound of a static voice, like as if a recording. And that's kind of what I heard when it mimicked the, oh my God, the other bag is there. The candy bag, or the bag where I had the gift of a burger patty with cheese on it. Let's see here. This is the burger patty bag. Oh my God, it is. Yes, it is. And how did it take it out of there? Took it. Oh, I knew it. Oh my God. Okay. Well, I don't have a bag to put it in. But what I'm gonna do is take this and kind of just do this and then get it on the way out of here. Because I don't want to put this in my pocket. Just washed this outfit a little bit ago. So what I'm gonna do, quickly walk this over here. This is a clue, my clue, that I put there. And the bucket is probably took too. Oh my God, look at this. A little spot where it sits. Bedded down right there. Now what I'm gonna do here, put this bag over on the trail, pick it up later. Because this is a clue. Whether people want to admit it or not. Put it right there. Put it right there. Look at it one more time. Grabbed it, wanted it, took it out of there, opened it up. Doesn't know about opening that pink part up. Just take it out of there. Look at it one more time. Okay, now who's who? I'll say that. I'll make it slip up. Oh, my glove. Found you! So, oh my God, look at this. This just broke and then put there. Something put right there. Let you know. Not that it matters or it would go out of his way to prove it. But look, here's another thing that's broke right there. All types of stuff being broken. Hold on, what's this? It's old foundation or something right here. My snowboard over there. Look at this. There's a little spot for it. And look, it was sharpening its horn right there too, on the bottom of that tree. Just for fun. And anyway, oh my God. This is a big little discovery again here. It decided it wants to eat meat. It has no choice. Because it's hungry. So that means I have to bring bread, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches back here. That way it's not carnivorous or wants to eat people. It was eating just that. There's poop here again. Oh my God. It's just poop. The bag is there still. Attached. The bend is still bent, obviously. Now it's just got the juice in there. Or did it take out? Hey, it pecked it. It didn't know what it's doing. It pecked a hole in it. Hold on. What the fuck? Oh, it bit it. So it's got two big teeth like a rat out the front of it. It bit that. wasn't there before. Oh my God. This is a breaking discovery. It's got two huge canine teeth very close together. Oh, there's no way in hell. Because I remember the video. It was either on the 8th or the 18th. I don't know. Just, you have to backtrack the videos and you'll see it. But what I'm going to do here. Put it back. And then, just let it be here. Wow. That's unbelievable. So it's got two huge teeth in the front of it. Very close together. Whatever it is. And then, in my opinion, it's a mutated rat. I mean, what kind of other animal got two teeth like that, big like that? A beaver? I highly doubt a beaver's doing all that. No. See if we look at some prints. Should have been doing that sooner, I guess, but. This is breaking news, in my opinion. There's a little spot for it to sit. It stinks in here too. Then it comes thrashing through here. Oh my God. Yeah, it does. Oh my God. Look at this. I just realized this. Look at this. This just broke. Bent. Twisted. Messed with it too a little bit. Must just sit here and kind of fuck around. And then, pardon my French. And then, look at this shit. Like right here. This is the spot right here. He bent that. He had no reason to do it, but he did it anyway. Make a little arch. Look at that bend right there. Right there. In the middle of the screen. Stinks right here. This is a little spot where I didn't see this spot before. And if I did, I didn't get a good close look at it. What's that up there? It's like they put it may have put that there. Oh my God, this is all put there. Look at this. Let's just put there. Unless it fell like that. I mean, it could have fell. Could have. This is what I'm looking at over here. Is that a chicken foot? Look at this. It's like it tried to make something right here. Put that log right there. That is definitely put against there. Anyway, go back over to the other spot. Try to put it through here. Always keep your safety glasses on when you're out here doing this stuff. Or sunglasses. It's one thing thinking you're an explorer, it's another thing knowing that you are. You gotta be prepared for stuff that could pop you in the eye without you knowing it. That's why you got safety glasses. Think you're too cool for them? Okay then, good luck. And anyway, right here, oh my God, I didn't really get a look at this. This is totally like peeled down from that area of the tree and just bent over there. I'll make it for you, he said. It's like he's talking to the deer, right? Making them a spot, and bent that whole tree. At one time it had leaves and whatnot too. Then the deer was there sharpening his antlers. Look at that. Wait, this is that spot. Hold on. Where it made that. Oh my god. And my apologies yesterday for the snowboard video of me showing or filming a dead animal. I didn't know that AI was going to make that the thumbnail of my snowboard video. I didn't try to do that. In fact, I never select my thumbnails for any of my videos. AI does. So anyway, I just want to say sorry for that. Yep. I rest my case again. This is all put there. Everything. It's all put there. And the snow prints, there are many snow prints that can be judged in particular in the sense of individually picking them out. And anyway, look at this. This is, oh my god, it's just, that tree's still alive. And this one isn't, and it's in the ground just because it snows on it. But anyway, this is all interweaved in there and stuff. I'm not joking. Wow. Unbelievable. It truly is. And at the end of the day, if people want to say it ain't out here, it is. These people, they got it in the backyard and they may see it out their backyard. Look at this. Oh, I can't go in there too far. This stinks. Look at this. Did it do this? Did it weave this around there? Like this? Or is it natural? What's that? What is that? That is a huge print of something. Wow. Look at this. It's like his own little spot to chill out right here. Anyway, that's enough for... Look at this huge tumbleweed. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's still in the ground. But that's a tumbleweed. How'd that get there? Alright, that's enough. I am GappaMagix. Over and out.